All right, guys, so let's go upstairs. We're doing today that vanity install and the shower glass door. Come on up. All right, guys, so come on in here. I'm going to show you what we're doing. This is the sink that we're actually replacing. The plumbing, we're taking out down here. We have the trap, the hoses. They look in pretty good condition, but we'll see if we need to replace them and so forth and install the vanity. And now here that you see, this would be the new double sliding glass door for the shower in here. It'll be installed shortly. And all right, guys, real quick, we're going to go over the sink installation, but let me update you with something. We're supposed to do the glass doors here with the frame on the tub. Unfortunately, we are pretty much making up a job that a contractor didn't finish, and he ordered the wrong width, which was 60 inches. We really need a 64 inch. So this was, even if it was 66, we can cut it down. Just be aware when ordering things, and even if someone else ordered them for you, just make sure they're correct. So let me show you guys back to the plumbing. So if you guys see here, the sink is already installed, right? The beautiful new sink compared to the last one. It's off currently. So let's turn on the faucet to check everything is okay. So let me get my hand underneath here. All right. And to the other side. Okay, once both of those are on, also if you guys look down here, everything is properly installed. We installed a whole new drain, and this was different than the last one. We had a cutout here. Unfortunately, that's the only way that we were able to do this job. Carefully cut it out. If we go up here now, we are going to turn it on. All right. Test the hot water. Whew, it's hot. Test the cold water. Nice and cool. We did around with the caulking. We have to apply one more caulk on that side just to make it a little bit more level and smooth. Also, the whole vanity itself, it's level. If you see this, just put a few shims at the bottom. We try to hide it as much as possible as we could. We're going to continue this part with the installation of this bathroom. The sink is done. Then we're going to get to this, and you guys will see the progress as we move along. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this clip. Stay tuned for more stuff.
Let's go.